What is it to grow old? Is it to lose the glory of the form, the luster of the eye? Is it for beauty to forego her wreath? Yes, but not for this alone. Is it to feel our strength decay, each limb grow stiffer, every function less exact, each nerve more weakly strung? Yes, this and more. 'Tis not what in youth we dreamed 'twould be. 'Tis not to see the world as from a height with rapt prophetic eyes, and heart profoundly stirred, and weep and feel the fullness of the past. It is to spend long days and not once feel that we were ever young.